So, why did I choose this particular EPIRB? This EPIRB is the Tron 60 AIS with the manual bracket. Well, there are different models of this EPIRB. This is a very well-known EPIRB. Tron is a high-end manufacturer, and I trust them. I trust them with my life, and that's important when you're choosing an EPIRB. Well, this EPIRB, you can get it in a lower price or a higher price, and I will explain you why I chose exactly this model. An EPIRB sends out a signal to the satellites, to the search and rescue people, and they can come and get you. All EPIRBs do that. In addition, this model has an AIS system, so in addition to the signal that goes to the satellites and to the rescue people, it sends out the AIS signal that pops up on the screen on nearby vessels. So not only the search and rescue people get the message that you need help, but also close by vessels get it. And they might be closer and responding faster than the rescue service. So I chose this model as an upgrade to get that function. And also, when the search and rescue vessel comes, they will get your position up on the AIS system and find you faster. So the AIS gives more security. Of course, it's a little bit higher price, but I think it's worth it. Then you can get it in two versions for how you fix it. This one is with the manual bracket. You fix this to the hull. When you are in need of help, you just grab it like this and you bring it to the life raft. You can also get a more expensive model that is in a box and with a device that activates the EPIRB automatically when the boat is sinking. I discussed this with Citronic, the company in Norway, who sold this to me. And as he said, our boat is not sinking very fast. We will have time to bring this to the life raft. So he said, well, you can buy the automatic release function, but actually you don't need it. And when I bought the life raft from the same guy, he said the exact same. Your boat is sinking quite slowly, so you will have time to bring the EPIRB, you will have time to manually get the life raft out and do all the things that you need to do when leaving the vessel. If you have a boat that might sink very fast, or you have a situation where you don't have time to do all these things, you should consider the EPIRB with the free float device. But I didn't do it. I chose this one, and I hope I will have time to activate it myself, the EPIRB and the life raft. That is the reason I chose the Tron 60 AIS EPIRB to save my life when I'm out there in the ocean.